Hey everyone, I'm 12 News meteorologist Steven Matrigrano here with a Weather Now update for you. Looking at a pretty nice beach day that's taking shape here in Narragansett. Blue sky, sunshine, some clouds moving through. We will be seeing some more clouds arrive for later on this afternoon. Also, keep in mind there is a high rip current risk as well as a high surf advisory issued for the coastline. So you can see the surf here in Narragansett, plenty of surfers in the water. And those swells are generally about 5 to 8 feet or so, and in some cases maybe a little bit higher than that, way offshore. But keep in mind, again, the dangerous rip current risk and those high waves. Now, looking outside East Greenwich, the bay is a little bit more quiet here. You can see how the water is a little choppy, but not too bad. And looking at our live radar, see the area, the counterclockwise swirl right behind my little screen here. I'm going to hide myself so you can see that. That's an area of low pressure that's kind of tracking through upstate New York and northern New England. Now that has some light showers with it, and that's going to kind of make its way through the northern part of New England later on today. It may get close enough to give us a couple showers, but it should just add some extra clouds as that weak disturbance in the atmosphere kind of passes overhead, and that'll give us, again, some of those clouds for the afternoon. So sunshine will be limited to the next few hours before we see those clouds build in. Temperatures are nice and warm, even down to the coastline. 80s across the board, 81 in Providence and Taunton, 83 in New Bedford, 80 in Newport, and 81 in Westerly. So notice those winds have shifted more to a northwest flow. That's after the cold front tracked through. Now we're getting more of a land breeze, so that is helping to warm things up a bit, even down to the shoreline. So those gusts at times still between about 15 and 25 miles per hour. So again, it's a breezy time of it out there, but again, looking pretty good weather-wise for us this afternoon. Mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the 80s, and maybe a passing shower, but that's about it for later on this afternoon. As we go into tonight's forecast, you can see again, dry, comfy temperatures in the 60s, and looking at a pleasant start for our Tuesday. Lots of sunshine, though, for Tuesday. Warm temperatures. We have that northwest wind. North wind will be winning out, so that means it's a land breeze, which once again helps us get warm, even down to the coastline. Thinking 80s down to the beaches and mid to upper 80s further inland. So some locations may even be near 90 degrees as we go into the day on Tuesday. So beyond that, we have our next chance of some thunderstorm activity. Looks to be sometime later Wednesday into Thursday. And we're in a level 1 risk for some additional chances at severe weather. Of course, we're still a few days away, so we'll be fine-tuning this forecast as we go forward. But just kind of a heads up that that's our next chance of some scattered thunderstorm potential that may also be on the strong to severe side, bringing heavy rain, gusty winds, and also maybe even some flooding in some cases. So that's what we're looking at for the middle part of the week. But until then, we are looking pretty good with our weather locally across our area.